All right, Hooper, so we are at part 5 of this 5-part series. We ended the previous part of this combo in this position right here. So we went into a spin and we ended right here. So this part of the move is gonna look something like this. All right, so let's break that down. You're gonna take your hoop out in front of you and grab the side of the hoop with your dominant hand. You're gonna turn over your dominant shoulder and have the hoop maintained in front of you like this. Now we're going to bring your hand to the top, maintaining this plane right here. Just bring your hand to the top like this. And we're gonna go into a yo-yo bounce. So you're just going to push the hoop down. As the hoop is coming back up, you're going to bring your hand over to your dominant side, bring it back down. As it's coming up, you're just going to bring your hoop over to your opposite side, and it should look like a bouncing motion like this. Once you're over to your dominant side, you're gonna push the hoop over to your opposite side. So we were here, spin, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, push. Now we're going to bring the hoop all the way behind us, and you wanna make sure that the hoop is going over to your opposite side. So right here, you're gonna release your grip on the hoop and extend your arm all the way behind you. So the hoop is going to roll against the back of your hand, and you're going to release and re-grip when the hoop is behind you like this. From here, we're just going to bring the hoop all the way down, and then we're going to bring the hoop all the way up again. So we're here, behind, bring it down in front, swing it down. Now we're going to bring the hoop up and behind us like this. So we're here and up. Now what we're gonna do is spiral the hoop down. So you're just going to release your grip on the hoop. I like it spinning towards my dominant side. So I'm just going to use my fingers to twirl the hoop all the way down. As I'm doing this, I'm extending my opposite hand and I'm going to twirl the hoop all the way down my arm. Once I'm in this position right here, I'm just gonna push the hoop all the way out like this, and then we're gonna go into a scooping iso weave. So we were here, back, in front, and behind. Spiral down the arm, extend. Now we're gonna go into that scooping iso weave. So I'm just going to take my opposite hand, I'm gonna re-grip the hoop so that my thumbs are both facing up. I'm gonna be doing this move by keeping my grip on my opposite side, and I'm gonna be tracing with my dominant. So I'm gonna bring the hoop to my side like this, and I'm going to just trace the hoop down and in front. So now you're kind of in this lock position where your palm is facing behind you, and you're just going to scoop it down all the way behind. You're gonna release your grip on the hoop with your opposite hand, and then you're gonna re-grip the hoop so that your thumbs are facing in the same direction, pointed up. And now your grip is going to be with your dominant hand. You're gonna scoop the hoop behind you and bring it in front, tracing with your opposite hand. Now I'm gonna do it one more time on my dominant side, so bring it down and over. And instead of re-gripping the hoop, I'm gonna go into a turning escalator. So I'm going to turn over my opposite shoulder. I'm gonna hinge the hoop forward, and I'm going to keep turning over my opposite shoulder. I'm gonna lift up my opposite knee and then drop the hoop for an escalator. As the hoop is dropping down below, you're gonna lift up and turn over your opposite shoulder. You're gonna take your leg out of the hoop, and then you're gonna turn over your opposite shoulder, and you're gonna land in this position right here. Again, we're gonna do the scooping iso weave. Scoop, scoop, extend, turn, and finish. So for that reverse escalator, you wanna make sure that you're going in the opposite direction that the hoop is dropping in. So it's dropping over to my dominant side. I'm turning over my opposite shoulder, gonna lift up that leg and step out and open up to the front so that you end in this position right here. Let's go over that move one more time. So you're gonna take your hoop out in front of you, you're gonna grab the side of the hoop, turn over your dominant shoulder, come to the front, you're gonna go into that yo-yo bounce, you're gonna bring your hoop down, bring it up, down, and up. Once you're over to your dominant side, you're gonna extend your hoop out to your opposite side. You're gonna release your grip on the hoop and bring the hoop over your opposite side and behind you. So it's going to roll over the back of your hand. You're gonna re-grip the hoop. Then you're gonna bring the hoop down in front and then scoop it back up behind you. From here, you're gonna extend your opposite arm out and you're gonna twirl the hoop all the way down your arm and just gonna push the hoop all the way out like this. Now I'm gonna re-grip the hoop with my dominant hand. The hand that is always on the bottom is the one that is maintaining the grip on the hoop. The hand that's on the top is always gonna be doing the ghosting. So I'm gonna bring it over to my dominant side. Once it's back in front, I'm gonna re-grip the hoop. Now my thumbs are facing the same direction. My grip is now on the dominant hand because it's on the bottom. You're wearing it down and behind. Now we're gonna re-grip again, scoop it one more time, and we're going to extend the hoop out in front of us. Using your dominant hand, you're gonna hinge the hoop forward, simultaneously turning over your opposite shoulder, lift up your opposite leg, drop the hoop down for the escalator, keep turning, catch with your dominant hand, and then turn to the front to finish the escalator right here. All right, Hoopers, so we made it to part 5 of this beginner combo series. This is what the move is going to look like in its entirety. So if you're super lost and you have not checked out any of the previous tutorials, be sure to check all those out. I'll link it in a playlist down here so you can go over all the previous portions of this move. I'll also link all the videos down below for you too. If anything is not clicking with you, if you find that you want to go into a different move at any point during this combo, please feel free. This is just to give you different ideas of how to get in and out of moves while learning some new ones along the way. All right, Hoopers, so I hope you enjoyed another beginner combo series. If you want to see more like this, be sure to leave a comment letting me know down below. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see more things like this. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one. Happy hooping.